Finding your way in your vehicle is easier than ever. All your destinations are just a tap away with Maps Plus. Maps Plus is a navigation app in your vehicle's center display. You can use it to find destinations, points of interest, parking, or even gas stations, and get up-to-date information about your journey. If your vehicle is a Chevrolet model from 2018 or later, it could have Maps Plus equipped. Use of the app will require select service plans. While in park, launch Maps Plus by tapping the Maps Plus icon in the home screen. Then, accept the Maps Plus terms of use and privacy policy when prompted. Once you accept, you'll be taken to the Maps Plus main screen. The main screen looks like this. You can see your location, the current weather, and find vehicle settings and other app controls in the bottom left corner. To interact with Maps Plus, you can swipe to move the map and pinch to zoom in or out like a smartphone map app. You can choose to orient the map in either north is up or forward is up view by tapping the compass. If you navigate the screen away from your location, press the recenter button on your display. To choose where you want Maps Plus to navigate to, you can enter your destination a few different ways. To choose a specific location, press the magnifying glass in the lower left corner of the main screen to search for an address or a common search term like groceries, parking, gas station, or others. To choose a destination from the map you see on the free drive screen along the way, press the points of interest icon on the center display. To select a destination that's not a point of interest, press and hold the location for a few seconds. After you select a destination, the app will display a destination card on the map. Tap the card and select Navigate to begin navigation. While driving, use the hands-free technology by asking Alexa built-in to search for an address or point of interest. Alexa will load the destination in Maps Plus and begin navigation. If you need to add a stop, open the keyboard during navigation by tapping the search icon at the bottom of the main screen. Use the keyboard to search for an address or point of interest. Once your waypoint is shown, you have two options: either replace route or add as a stop. From the Maps Plus main screen, you can control other features in your vehicle. You can select and interact with your favorite songs and podcasts from the interface. And you can access other in-vehicle apps without interrupting your navigation. To make Maps Plus your own, you can change how the app works in the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, you can change the following settings: turn-by-turn voice directions, avoid tolls, avoid ferries, and avoid highways. Maps Plus brings navigation updates and controls to your fingertips in a single app. Drive where you want and arrive at your destination easily with Maps Plus.